Hello guys and welcome to this video. In today's video we'll be talking about how to make money with TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is basically a platform for freelancers to with transcription and traduction experience to transcribe uh, the take offers and orders from the clients and help them and get paid. So basically, it's for making money with your knowledge in your own language. So here I am in my client account. I couldn't switch to my freelancer account because they have an exam and the exam has specific timing. So you can't just come and start working as a freelancer. You have to take the exam. That's why it's no, the exam isn't that hard, but it has a schedule you have to maintain and to pass the exam in the right time. The only available exam for now is the French exam, and yes, you can say I'm good at French, mais c'est pas possible. C'est quoi ça? Ils ont mis un possible exam. And I couldn't do it. I passed the writing, I passed the correction exam, and I'm in the transcription exam. They gave me audio, and I have to turn it into words. And this is taking too long. I'm not going to do this. So TranscribeMe is a popular platform for transcription, audio, and video recording, as I said, into written text. And I will give you 10 ways to make money with TranscribeMe. First, like I mentioned before, is transcription. The primary way to make money on TranscribeMe is by transcribing audio and video recordings that can sign up as a transcriptionist and start accepting transcription job based on your skill level and availability. So it's like a free time job. Second is review and transcript. TranscribeMe also offers a review service where you can review and edit transcripts created by other transcriptionists. You can earn money by reviewing and correcting these transcripts to ensure accuracy and quality. Third way is team lead. If you have experience in transcriptions and management, you can apply to become a team lead on TranscribeMe. As a team lead, you will manage a team of transcriptionists. Okay, I read it first the true way. I didn't make a mistake. So, and ensure that they are meeting qualified and productive standard. The fourth way is training. TranscribeMe offers training programs for new transcriptionists. If you have experience in transcription and training, you can apply to become a trainer on TranscribeMe and earn money by teaching new transcriptionists the skills they need to succeed. And the fifth way is captioning. TranscribeMe also offers captioning service for videos. You can earn money by captioning video and ensuring that they are accessible to people with hearing impairment or who can't hear. And we have the most important and second easy way if you know two languages is translation. TranscribeMe offers translation service for written content. If you are proficient in multiple language, you can apply to become translator on TranscribeMe and earn money by translating content for clients. Like me, I signed up with my freelancer account as a transcriptionist with three languages, English, Arab, and French. And I just have to take the tests and the exam to be ready. And we have the seventh way is proofreading. TranscribeMe also offers proofreading service for writing content. You can earn money by proofreading and editing content to ensure accuracy and quality. The eighth way is data entry. TranscribeMe offers data entry service for clients. You can earn money by entering data into spreadsheets or database for clients. The ninth way is customer support. TranscribeMe also offers customer support service for clients. You can earn money by providing customer support to clients and helping them by answering their questions and or they have any issues, you will help them. The last way is referral program. TranscribeMe has a referral program where you can earn money by referring new clients or transcriptionists to the platform. You can earn a commission on every job completed by your referral. So as I said, TranscribeMe was a website that's its goal is to make money. Let's see here, as a client you can upload a video, a PDF, an audio for transcriptionist and they will get it done here. You add the payment method and you pay them, and the website makes sure you pay them. So if you logged out from here and went back to TranscribeMe, let's see here, transcribeme.com. Here you can sign up here as a customer or as a freelancer. It's trusted by top brands and you can be a transcriptionist. A transcription powered by artificial intelligence is available also, and you can be a translator. So they said artificial intelligence will take place in all humans' job. I think no. Artificial intelligence can't be more specific than human. Humans can understand humans feeling, and they are the right people with to manage this. So in summary, TranscribeMe offers a variety of ways to make money, from transcription, captioning, translation, and data entry. By leveraging your skills and experience, you can earn a steady income on TranscribeMe. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.